If you want to know how it's actually like to run a business, stick around with this video, guys. Alright, welcome to today's video, guys. Today we're speaking about how it's actually like to run your own business, and not how it's like in your imagination, but how it's really like. Because I can promise you, if you've never ran a business or had any type of business, then you don't know how it is. Because to be honest, the day-to-day life of what I expected it to be is very, 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 very different to what it actually is. So 10 months ago, I started my first business. If you don't know, I have a social media marketing agency. It's called A Miracle Marketing. Really well. We deliver really good results for our clients. But enough with that. But when I first started, I thought like having a business is like basically putting on a shirt, having a nice watch, going to meetings, going to networking events, drinking coffee, chilling out with people, all this kind of dope ass shit you see on Instagram and fucking YouTube. And to put in the work and to get results for clients, it's not coffee shops, it's not networking events, it's not, having shirts and suits and, go taking Ubers to meetings and, that kind of cool lifestyle you think. Of course you can have that. But when you're first starting, it's not like that. You want to know how it's like? It's sitting by your desk like 8 hours straight, 10 hours straight, 12 hours straight, maybe 4 hours straight. Putting in some like boring ass hard work. That's what it's like. Of course you can like have some business meetings, you can networking events, you can drink coffee with other business owners, but at the end of the day, you want to be as time efficient as you want to be efficient with your time. I had a vision of how I thought it was to be a business owner. It's so cool to be a business owner, but when you're actually a business owner, it's not that cool, because it's a lot of hard work and you need to be passionate about what you do. Otherwise you'll not make it, because it's so intense. To be honest, I don't know if I had started my business right now, if I know if back then I knew what I know now, alright? If that makes sense. Because guys, invoices, accounting, taxes, employees, freelancers, client work, follow-ups with clients, signing new clients, doing cold, you have so many aspects of the business. It is insane. You are never done with working. Of course, after a full day of working, you can bang out your tasks for the day, but you have always more stuff to do. And it's so stressful. But of course it's worth it, because I always say it's about doing things other people won't, so you can live a life that other people can't. That makes sense, right? But you gotta understand, it's a lot of hard work, guys. So you gotta basically have patience. Don't listen to other people's sugarcoating, because it's not, I'm not saying it's not fun. It's the best journey I've ever started in my life. Running my own company, and I think this is I'm destined to be a business owner, to start businesses, scaling them and then selling them. I know that's my thing, but it's fun. But you gotta have a burning desire for it, because it's a lot of hard work. And I hope I showed you kind of the aspects of how it is. I know it's not the most detailed video, but I just want to say it's really fun, guys, but it's a lot of hard work. So if you're passionate about what you're doing and your business, then go for it. Otherwise, I don't know if it's for you. It's not for everyone. I hope you enjoyed the video. We're still sticking to 2 videos a week. Probably I usually upload Tuesdays and Saturdays. And hope you enjoyed the content, guys. Make sure to subscribe. If you also want to join my free mastermind group, where I share some valuable stuff, alright? Some really valuable stuff. You have a link below, alright? We have a great community there. Thank you, guys, and peace out.